Hello everyone, my name is Vanchika from Amrit Indo-Canadian Academy of Class Plus One Humanities. Today I have got an opportunity to explain on the topic harm principle of chapter number 2 freedom from political science. So I hope that everyone is familiar with the word freedom and liberty. So let's get started with it. Who was John Stuart Mill? John Stuart Mill was a British philosopher. He wrote many essays that created rules that people could use to decide what actions were good and bad. One of these essays was titled On Liberty, which explained how much control society has over preventing the actions of a person. Now, one essay by John Stuart Mill on liberty, the sole and for which mankind are warranted individually or collectively in interfering with the liberty of action of any of their number is self-protection, that the only purpose for which power can be rightfully exercised over any member of a civilized community against his will is to prevent harm to others. So this means that in this essay, Mill wants to say that interference with liberty of action of another is justified only for self-protection. Means if somebody's freedom harm the other person, then that person's freedom can be restricted. So, next is the harm principle. How to live your life the way you want to live. What is harm principle? The harm principle states that the only actions that can be prevented are ones that create harm. In other words, a person can do whatever he wants as long as his actions do not harm others. If a person's actions only affect himself, then society, which includes the government, should not able to stop a person from doing what he wants. This even includes actions that a person may do that would harm the person himself. So this principle argues that freedom should not be snatched by anyone. John Stuart Mill says that there are two kinds of actions, self-regarding actions and other regarding actions. Self-regarding actions are those actions which affect the individual only, and other regarding actions are those actions which affect the society. So harm principle means the actions of an individual which harms other individual should be restricted by the law. So self-regarding actions means in which we harm oneself and affect the interest of personal life, and in other regarding sections which are actions will harm other persons also and other persons interest as well as their life freedom also. So this was the concept of actions. Self-regarding actions, there should be no constraints, means no restrictions. So because only in self-regarding actions a person harms to only their freedom, only their life. So in other regarding actions, there are two types of harm, minor and major. Minor harm is small level harm and major harm is higher level harm. This is minor harm and should only provoke social disapproval. It is not a fit case for legal punishment. Constraining actions by the force of law should only happen when the other regarding actions cause serious harm to definite individuals. Otherwise, society must bear the inconvenience in the spirit of protecting freedom. So, in this way, minor harm means small level harm. Like, for example, in a building, one boy is living and he is celebrating his birthday very nicely. He had organized a birthday party and enjoying dancing with loud music, due to which other people living in the building are disturbed. So here some restrictions have to be made. In other words, we can say tolerance means people have made restrictions by decreasing the volume of music so that restrictions are made and the freedom is also not get harmed. So this was the concept. Social tolerance must be there. Major harm is when we put someone's lives in danger and cause high level of harm to their life as well as to their freedom. So major harm is high level of harm, as we know that if a driver is driving a car, he makes trouble to other person also. Liberalism. Liberalism has been identified with tolerance. It means the right of a person to hold and express his or her opinion and beliefs should be defended, and modern liberalism focus on individual They emphasize on individuals' choices and interest. Family, society, and community has no value, but only the individuals have value. For example, in terms of marriage, only the individuals will be heard, not their parents or community. Liberals give priority to individual liberty rather than equal. So, no one's liberty should be snatched, and everyone should enjoy their freedom. So, I would like to end this video with a beautiful words and inspirational thought. Life without liberty is like a body without spirit. So, I hope that you like this video. So, liberty is the right to choose. Freedom is the result of right choice. Thank you.